Hello everyone, welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual fall story time. We are on week 4 and this week we get to talk all things pumpkins. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome everyone. I'm so excited to share a few books about pumpkins with you. So our first book is called Duck and Goose Find a Pumpkin, and it's by Tad Hills. Let's see where Duck and Goose find a pumpkin. Nice pumpkin thistle. Yes, it is. I want a pumpkin too. Let's go find one. Is our pumpkin in the log, Goose? No. Is our pumpkin in the leaf pile, Duck? No. Is our pumpkin up in the apple tree, Goose? Up in the apple tree? No. Is our pumpkin under the water, Duck? No. That would be a silly place to have it, wouldn't it? Is our pumpkin on top of the stump, Goose? No. Have you tried the pumpkin patch? The what? We sure know how to find a pumpkin, Duck. Yes, we do. Look at that giant pumpkin they found. That is crazy, right? Okay, so for this week for our story time craft, you should have a packet in your story time kit, and it is stickers, and you're going to make a pumpkin patch picture frame. So with all the stickers that you find in here, with the help of a grown-up, you're going to stick them around, and then you'll have some funny faces pumpkins. And then you also need to find a great picture to put in your pumpkin frame. Also, grown-ups, this is for your grown-up, you're going to find a magnet in your Storytime craft kit, and these will go and stick on the back side of your picture frame if you want them to, and that way this picture frame can go on your fridge or anywhere metal. So, okay, it's a fun craft this week. All right, let's get ready to read our next story. Let me get the screen all set. Okay, our next story is called Penguin and Pumpkin. Two things that aren't normally together, right? You think, when I think of penguins, I think of winter. So this story is going to be a little different, and it's by Selena Yoon. Let's see how. It was fall and very white on the ice, as always, which made Penguin curious. I wonder what fall looks like off the ice. Let's go to the farm and find out. Penguin's baby brother, Pumpkin, waddled over. Can I come see fall too? I'm sorry, Pumpkin, but it's too far for a fledgling. Grandpa agreed. Maybe next year, Pumpkin. I'm not a baby. Oh, he's super upset. Penguin, Bootsy, and their friends headed to the farm. Goodbye, Pumpkin. The journey was long as Penguin looked and looked and looked for signs of land. Finally, the penguins have arrived. The farm was full of pumpkins. Everyone reminded Penguin of his brother. You are the pumpkin of my dreams. That's what that little one's saying. Then Penguin looked up. Beautiful. This is perfect for Pumpkin. The penguins each picked out a pumpkin. Some were smooth, some were bumpy, some were long, some were curved. Every pumpkin was loved. Sweet dreams, dear pumpkin. Penguin had a different idea. What's he gonna do with all those leaves, right? They rode back home with their fall harvest. Are we there yet? The fall explorers were excited to share their treasures from the farm. But where was Pumpkin? Penguin found a clue. What's this? Pumpkin, what are you doing over here? Since you would let us come, we decided to have our own fall adventure. Munch, 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 munch. We imagined fall on the harvest moon, fall on spooky Saturn, and even fall on the red planet. You have a spectacular imagination, said Penguin. Mothership calls Pumpkin, bye. But I wish I got to see what fall really looks like. Pumpkin sighed. See fall, Penguin? Wait right here, Penguin. Penguin took the crate up on a cliff. Grandpa and Bootsy followed a trail of leaves that led them right to Pumpkin. There you are. I brought you something. A pumpkin for Pumpkin, a perfect match. Thank you. Penguin finally returned. What does fall really look like? Asked Pumpkin eagerly. Look up, said Grandpa. Fall looks like snowing leaves. Wow. The end. Well, I'm glad Pumpkin got to see fall right at the end, right? Okay. Before I say goodbye, I have two things. One, the library is hosting a little spooky story time for everyone on either Tuesday, October 27th at 10 a.m. or Friday, October 30th at 7 p.m. You just need to go on to the Sandusky District Library website, and we have a link for you to click to fill out the form. Then make sure you put your email address on that link, and then we send you a Zoom meeting link for that whatever day you pick. And then I'll get to see you on the screen, and we're going to have a little spooky, fun live story time those 2 days. So I hope that you'll be able to sign up and I'll be able to see your faces, and we'll read some books, and there'll be a craft kit as well for that as well. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please just give us a call here at the library and we'll give you all the details. And my second thing I need to talk to you about is next week we are going to talk monsters. So I have a couple books here that you could check out at the library, either doing curbside or just coming on in. One of them is called Duck, Duck, Dinosaur, Noise at Night, and the Noise at Night. So I don't know if there's a monster in that book, but maybe that's what's making the noise. You'll have to check out the book and find out. This one is Not So Scary Jerry. And then this one is called Quit Calling Me a Monster. Doesn't he look like a monster though? I wonder why he doesn't want to be called monster. Okay, so did you see that I put pumpkins where the penguin usually sits? That sneaky penguin, or that penguin, pigeon. When that sneaky pigeon sits, I put pumpkins there so he couldn't sit there. What? You can see him? Where is he? Oh, That pigeon is so sneaky. I didn't even see that he had snuck in over there. Maybe next time I'll catch him. All right, let's do our ending poem. Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye, my story time friends. See you next week.